Hi all, welcome to my video. This is my first video uploading in my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about the thing which is it is a solar panel. So I have installed a solar panel for my home, and you can see right now it is raining. I have no that much time to capture a video at the right moment, so I am utilizing my time, available time to make an content on YouTube. So yeah, I'm going to explain what is this and how it is saving my money. So right now in my home, this is my home. We have 3 bedrooms, 1 hall, 1 kitchen, and 3 bathrooms. We are using many electrical appliances, and so considering EB charges for those electrical equipments for the past 1 year, I got an approximate bill value of 5,000 rupees for 2 months. So I got in a situation like to install this solar panel, and the government is providing a subsidy for this also. So right now the appliances which in our home are AC, fridge, washing machine. I have a single AC and washing machine, fridge, mixie, induction stove, and 1 electric scooter. So these are the equipments we are using majorly in our home, and there is a fan. You can calculate that we have an 3 bedrooms, so we have continuous running of 3 fans. So these are the requirement. Also we have a pressure motor in our home. You can see it here, there. This pressure motor also consumes a numerous amount of current. So in order to eliminate the EB fee, we have installed this solar panel, and this solar panel having a capacity of 4.6 kilowatt, which is 4600 watts capable of producing solar panel. We have totally we have 8 panels. Each panel has a capacity of 750 watts. So that is how it is calculated, and we have and you may have a doubt like how many units it is producing per day. So I can able to track every details. There is an app which is linked with the inverter. That inverter will show detailed informations of real-time data, like how much EB is producing right now. So like you can see that in this electricity producing from this solar panel is transferred through this wire and coming to this area. Here we have an inverter. Right now it is raining, so there is no current production here. Clearly you can see here it is 0 watts producing right now. There is a mobile app. In that mobile app we can track the live data, how much electricity it is producing. So we have installed in a 4.6 kilowatt of solar panel. So it is capable of producing 20 units minimum per day. I was saying, it is a real-time data, and it is capable to produce minimum of 20 units per day. And during this is summer time, so we are getting approximately 26 to 27 units per day. So it is more sufficient for me. How it is working, like we are not storing this electricity in a battery or anything. The electricity produced here in this solar panel is utilized in my home. Excess which is producing in this panel is directly exported to the TNEB. These readings are noted in and bifacial meter. The normal meter which in our home installed is in a single directional meter, unidirectional meter. So after installing this solar panel, we have to approach for an TNEB and we have to change the meter. So there is a numerous procedure. I will explain it in another video. In that meter, bidirectional meter, both export and import units readings are noted. So that is the main functionality of that bidirectional meter. And before that I got an as I said earlier, I was getting an 5,000 rupees bill for bi-monthly, and after installing this I'm just paying in 300 rupees. The 300 rupees is not an charge of which I was consuming more than, I mean, those fees are network charges, which is we are utilizing the government, I mean the TNEV lines. For that we have to pay the 300 rupees. There is no charges for an approximately it is producing nearly 1200 units for by month, and I'm only utilizing 300 to 400 units in my home, so I am producing excess current only. So there is no need of worrying about paying an extra charges for an TNEB. So in future, if I am increasing 2 more ACs or purchasing an electric car would be and more efficient for me. There is no burden for me like extra charges for me. So this is an very useful for people who worried about an TNEB, I mean electric charges. So I have installed this here in Tamil Nadu. So I will give you a contact detail for a solar installer. If you have any need to install in your area in Tamil Nadu, you can search in Google or somewhere else for your local installer of the solar panel. And the government is also providing a subsidy for 78,000 rupees for this. And there is an certain criteria. Up to 2 kilowatt government is providing in 30,000 rupees subsidy, and up to 4 kilowatt they are providing 60,000, and above 4,000 is in 78,000. But 78,000 is a maximum, so you have to plan accordingly. And I think government is also giving a subsidy and promoting this kind of an scheme is very beneficial for all the peoples. So I hope you get an good information in this video. If you have any doubts or clarity, you can directly ask in the comment section. I will definitely reply to every comments. And thank you for watching this video. See you on the next video. Bye.